Hey, I'm Rob. You saw the title of the video and you're already thinking, is it true or is it clickbait? The answer is yes and yes. That drum actually sold for $50,000. And yes, it's clickbait. I need a good title and I want people to watch the video. And it worked, you're watching the video. If you don't believe me about the sale, I have a clip at the end of this video showing the actual sale. Now I love that drum, but no, I'm not saying it's worth $50,000. Someone bought that drum at a charity to support the charity, not just for my drum. The drum is pretty cool. It's one of my favorites. I did a 5-part build series on that on YouTube, and I'm calling this part 6, I guess. You can go back and watch the first 5 videos. It's more about woodworking and CNC type stuff, so if you like that, great. If not, you won't hurt my feelings by not watching it. The charity is called Solid Rock. It's a faith-based teen center for the arts. I have a link to their site below in the video description. Solid Rock was supported by and started by Alice Cooper 20 years ago. Yes, rock and roll bad boy Alice Cooper is a Christian and strongly supports Christian charities. In Arizona, that's not a surprise to us. Alice is practically Arizona royalty, and he's well known for giving back to the community. Now, about the actual event. Every December, Alice Cooper puts on a show or fundraiser called Christmas Pudding. Many big artists have performed there over the past years. It is very popular and often sells out the first day. I was too slow this year and tickets were gone before I got mine. Next year I will not make that mistake again. It would probably kill me if I had a video and I didn't actually show the CNC working, so here's a quick clip of the CNC machine carving the text and designs on the rim. After they decided on the drum they wanted, they said, could you put some text on those rims to make it really special and commemorate the 20th anniversary? So I quick got to it and made another rim, and in only a weekend, I had another set of rims for that drum ready to go. The rims are made of 3 layers of wood. The outside layers are hard maple, and the middle layer is beech. Nice contrast, they complement each other, looks really nice. And then I painted the text on the rim so it's black, so it really pops out very well. About the drum. Normally people don't show off the inside of a drum, but in this case, I had to make an exception. The wavy curve of the inside plus that myrtle wood grain is too beautiful not to show off. And the unique shape of the walnut lugs going all the way through the shell is one of my favorite features. The outside has a 3D snakeskin design carved into the drum with walnut lug holders and walnut badges. The lugs are antiqued brass. I also carried the snakeskin diamond theme through the design to the bottom rim. As I mentioned previously, the base wood is myrtle. I really like myrtle. It has a terrific grain pattern, especially when you add a good finish to it. It almost has a 3D laser effect to it. To finish off the hardware, I used a Trick brand snare throw and butt plate in black finish. I spent a lot of time tying themes, designs, colors, grain patterns, and even hardware into that original snakeskin theme. In the end, I think it came out great. And as I mentioned before, here's the video proof of the drum actually selling for $50,000.
To be reminded that there only takes one to change the trajectory of their life, and they are that one. So this snare drum behind me, which is from Rob Schuster, and it is actually myrtle wood with snakeskin, and it has been signed by everyone here tonight. The first denomination that we're asking for, this is just a thank you gift if anyone cares to raise their power. But we are up over that 600,000 mark and climbing to that million. If anyone would like to give a 100% tax-deductible gift of $50,000, this snare drum is yours. If anyone would like to do it, now is the time to raise that hand at $50,000. And there it is. Did you get it? No? Anyone that wants to do it, the snare drum is yours at $50,000. If not, it's okay. We have other denominations, other prizes. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to do that? The Murellis are in for $50,000 and they're taking that snare drum. Now, I have a different drum. It's a decal.
I want to thank everyone from the Solid Rock organization for allowing me to be part of this very special event. If you've enjoyed seeing this video, please press the like button and consider subscribing. Have a great day, everyone.